Many Americans moved to Florida during the pandemic seeking warm weather and relaxed COVID restrictions. But the business climate has also become a major draw. Tom Wallace is the managing partner of Florida Funders. Their motto, from sunshine state to startup state. Tom, good to see you. What's the pitch?
Dave, good to see you. Thanks for having me on your show. The pitch is Florida's all about technology and innovation, and not tourism and agriculture any longer. And as you mentioned, COVID really, and a lot of people came here during COVID because other states were locked down. And what they discovered was something we Floridians have known for a long time. This is a great place to live. It's a great place to raise a family. It's a great place to start a company. It's a great place to get investment for your company. And many of them are staying. So I'm at the Emerge Americas show right now in Miami. That's where you're reaching me from. And we've got over 20,000 people here that are founders, entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, all celebrating and looking at the next great technology companies, which will be coming from Florida. The
conditions you mentioned apparently haven't always been the case, at least if you listen to Russell Weigel, who's the commissioner of the Office of Financial Regulation. He said, we're at the top of the charts in entrepreneurship, but we're close to the bottom in being able to fund them. Why has that been the case?
Well, that's a really good question. Historically, that has been the case, but I would argue that's changing very rapidly. If you look at the latest numbers, I mean, Florida is it attracted more venture capital last year than any other state in the Southeast. We're in the billions of dollars. I just think, historically, Florida's, was not a technology state, wasn't known for innovation. But now with crypto, Miami's becoming the crypto capital of the world, as many people know. With Web3, with all this coming on, and so many people, because any area becomes known for technology because of two things, and that's talent and capital. And the talent's here and coming here, and capital's coming here. We're seeing it. It used to be that many of our entrepreneurs had to leave here and go to Silicon Valley or Austin or Boston or New York to get funding. That is no longer the case because of venture capital firms and crowdfunding platforms like Florida Funders and many of our peers. So there's a lot of early stage capital now in Florida, and that's keeping many of our entrepreneurs here and even attracting entrepreneurs and founders from around the state, and not even around the country. Many of the Emerge people here for this conference are from other parts of the world.
You mentioned the enthusiasm around crypto. Francis Suarez, the mayor there of Miami, really has endorsed it. And Bitcoin Week was certainly a success, although the price of Bitcoin wasn't necessarily. How is the political environment making things that much easier for you?
Yeah, I just had lunch with Mayor Suarez. He's here. So I think our government officials, Mayor Suarez, our governor, really have embraced really business, technology, innovation, and the future, which is obviously a lot of it's crypto, Web3, DeFi. So, in the past, we've been laggards in that area. Now it's so exciting to see, again, our government leaders getting behind this whole movement and realizing this is our future. This is the future of the state of Florida. And we are going to be a state known for technology and innovation.
What particular cities are leading the way here? You mentioned Miami, obviously.
Yeah, I would put Miami at the top. I actually live in Tampa. I think we're doing a lot of cybersecurity in Tampa, a lot happening there. Orlando has a lot.
Yep, had a little bit of an issue there. We were trying to hold out with this signal, but good to have Tom Wallace here. Tom, are you back with us? Continue.
Yeah, what I was saying is in addition to Miami, we have Tampa, which is a lot of cybersecurity and a lot of technology there. We have Orlando with gaming. Electronic Arts is there, and there's a lot of gaming in the Orlando area. And then the Space Coast, obviously with SpaceX and all that's happening in the space industry and tourism in the space industry is over in the Space Coast. So really it's statewide. We have a lot of technology and different parts. And fintech is really big here, ed tech and digital health, because we're really healthcare is huge in the state of Florida.
Tell us about some of your success stories.
Oh my gosh! So I think Florida's up to like 20 unicorns, which are companies valued over $1 billion. There are so many of them. Chewy.com is out of Fort Lauderdale. Fanatics is here. And there are a lot of cybersecurity software companies that ReliaQuest that you know before. These are companies your viewers may not know, but these are still private companies, but they've been valued at over $1 billion. So lots of success stories, and in the crypto world, there's a lot there too. Pocket, a company in Tampa, Florida, is really doing very well, as well as a lot here in Miami, as we talked about already.